What's up, guys? Good morning. Today we've got another episode with NG Slot at the Peppermill Casino, playing some high-limit blackjack. Let's go over, check him out, and like always, guys, go over to his channel, give him a like, a subscribe, and let's have some fun and roll right into it.
Black. How is everybody doing today? The last shoe was Holocauster, guys. It was pretty bad. So hopefully this one is way better shoe.
Is it black tips?
Yeah, honest please. Okay, so far we are out for these last four shoes, 5 grand. Let's go. I am at Peppermill Casino in Reno.
It's a beautiful casino, by the way. If you guys haven't been there, it's probably
Thank you.
Probably the
So let's go, guys.
one I recommend the most if you guys are in Reno. It's a fun little town, and it's very quaint. They've got great restaurants, great buffet. Yeah, it's just a fun place overall, and great food too. Good steaks. I know it's a buffet, but like just overall good place.
Oh, good start.
What's up with these first-hand blackjacks? This never happens. What's happening, guys? The first-hand blowouts.
The last shoe was really bad. I lost like 12 grand. Yeah, I lost 12,000.
It's not the last round.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Okay, guys. So let's double down this beautiful 11. We have a 600 hand. All right. That could be way better. So we just lost 600, guys. We just won there and we just lost the double. So last 600.
So 1942?
Not yet.
Not yet? Okay.
No, thank you. Very nice.
Oh, dual wielding.
Let's do 800 each.
I like it.
Picture. Nice. It's up to you.
So
whichever is easier
far,
for
a
you.
good beginning
Pay me.
of the shoe.
You can give me with 5s, with 25s. Alright. Actually, let's do 600 each. Okay, race. And here we go, guys. Once again, welcome my powerful, wonderful subscribers and viewers.
Guys, this is a great time to go over to NG Slot's channel. Give him a like, a subscribe.
I hate when I lose with 1 point.
I know.
Let him know he is always welcome to count his chips. Hit the wrong button there for a second. Apologize.
Picture. Oh, wow.
6-card bust, man.
12 cards and after 1 picture. Actually 10 cards, sorry. Yeah, let's do 3 hands, guys. It's a picture time, right? Let's do 8, 8, 8. 24 on it, bet. It's not for you, please. Alright. Stay here. Now just 2 pictures. Oh! Oh! No freaking way, 21?
No way, that was
Unbelievable.
brutal.
Woo. That was painful.
That was.
Okay. Yeah. So let's do it again. $800 each. Stay here. Okay. You know what? Just based on your card, can I get the hundreds, please?
You think he's gonna split them?
Alright, so guys, based on the dealer cards, I'm gonna just split my fours.
Okay.
If she didn't have 6, so definitely I wouldn't split that one.
Okay.
I would just hit. Yeah, just split. Let's get a 6 or 7. I can't believe this. There is no picture.
Wow.
Wow.
One face card.
Hold on. If I
Two
didn't
face
hit here, if I didn't split this one, I would get a 2. I would get a 18, and you would have a 21. Yeah. So you'd have a 21.
You know, a lot of you guys tell us,
On this way,
NG
at
slot
least,
doesn't play
it would be the
well.
same thing.
There are some times where I actually think he
No, I would lose
he does a pretty
1,000
good
more.
job.
I would lose 1,000 more. So on this way, at least we'd lost like 1,000 less. So okay, guys, let's see what we have here. For the issue that I start with 25 grand. So right now we have 4,300. Let's go $700-800 hand.
Hey guys, before we get into the next hand, I wanted to always mention, go down into the description, check out some fun stuff there. And I'm also thinking next year, might be planning on going out to Vegas. And if that does happen, I was thinking about doing $1,000 shoe and seeing what happens. But you know, I digress. We'll see what happens. But always, guys, like, subscribe, go down to the comment section, give me something to talk about. Lots of fun.
All right, let's keep going.
That was a scary way to get to 21. Split them.
Very nice.
That was a good press.
Right, we are going to make a $3,200 hand.
Oh, I love this.
Let's go. Match is
The
fine.
Leaning Tower of Chips.
All right.
Wow. Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
Beautiful.
Wow.
That was a 3 times draw we won. I start with.
That's the biggest tower of chips I've seen on a
800.
blackjack table.
I won double up 1600. I won double up. I won 1600 and double up 3200. So you can check out the full session, guys, at my. All right, beautiful. So we are going back to $800 a hand, guys. Beautiful. I won like 4 hands row, so I think it's her turn. So let's do 400.
That's a good way to look at that. Wow. Wow. Split him. She slides it over. Come on in. Oh, that was disgusting.
Stay.
Big one. Oh my gosh.
Okay. We're gonna do $1,600 a hand.
There it is.
There you go. I told you how blackjack. That's a $2,400 there, guys. Once again, big shout out to Peppermill Casino in Reno, guys, for giving me permission to record my blackjack session. I really appreciate it. 2,400. Yeah, 69. Yeah, 2400. That's a 1600, so 2400. Yep. Check. Thank you.
That was a nice double up.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Let's not be greedy.
7, 14.
If I double it, I would have a 15, and you would have a 15.
Yeah, and then we'll see what the next one is.
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
15
I
there.
kind of don't have a good feeling, so let's do 400. 15, 25. Would bust. But it's okay, I wouldn't have blackjack. Wow, shoe is going so nice, I just can't believe I just win back-to-back so many hands, so that's why I just decreased my bet, but...
That's okay, man.
Satan is our bet.
Hey, when you're on a heater.
Oh, hold on, dear. Every time I have a 20, I just do insurance, so just open, please. Alright. She's gonna hit on soft 17. One more picture. 15. No freaking way. That's why I don't like when the blackjack dealer hits on soft 17. In Vegas, in high limit room, it's not. Yeah. In Vegas, in high limit room, they don't hit on soft 17.
Looks like the audio went out, maybe because of a song. It wasn't me, I promise. You know, which we could do. I could put some music in. $21, man, that's nuts. There we go. 8. Nice. That was a little bit of a battle. Quick question to you guys. If you push, do you... On the next bet, do you keep your same bet? Do you lower it? Do you increase it? Do you change it? Or do you keep it the same? Sometimes I have a tendency to move the bet around, but I need to stay consistent if I do. And this is all practice leading up to hopefully something in a year. My girl's best friend is having a wedding in Vegas, so I might be down there, and I might just save up an extra $1,000 to just blow away. Like this is the I don't care whatever happens to it, and I'd put a. All right, here we go. Now it's back. But to finish that thought, I would just put a limit. If I doubled up, I'd be done. I wouldn't go past that. Pay for the trip.
Perfect. 16. 17. Oh my goodness. Alright. Let's try two hand.
He's been hitting some blackjacks.
No way. Wow. We're gonna try 39 in the other hand.
Check change 1,000.
Alright guys, I'm gonna double down my 1,000 $300 bet. Let's do face down.
Yeah, face down.
Make it easy, boys.
9, 19, 7.
That's not good. Yeah, it's not going nice. Alright. Let's win 3 times draw.
$1,200 bet. Oh no.
Insurance, no insurance.
All right, let's.
2,000, man. No way.
Insane.
Alright. Come on, let's go in. Perfect.
Oh,
if I had 11, usually I
Barely.
have only against the picture when I have 11. Very nice. Let's do $1,000.
You don't hit your these $1,000 chips here.
Insurance? No insurance.
So many blackjack. You got like 3 or 4 blackjacks, I think. I'm gonna do $3,000 hand. Ah. 18. Stay. No
way.
Wow. 18 and 19. That was the
That
only
is
card she could beat me.
brutal. That's a slap in the face. No.
Wow, guys. So I'm gonna finish this shoe down $2,000, guys. We had a nice start, but then it became really bad. I just got beat a lot with 1 point.
Man,
So
no
that's
joke.
it, guys. We are gonna just keep recording and playing, guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a fantastic day, everyone.
I like that, you guys. I really like what he's doing right now, and he's doing a video per shoe, and that's the way it should be. I don't mind these, 45 minutes, an hour. I mean, Steve will do it. Does like a 2 or 3 hour stream, going from baccarat to blackjack to slots, man. So it's actually pretty nice just to have a fun little session, about 18, 20 minutes. With that, let's keep an eye out. I wanted to see if Mr. Handpay's around, but I might be scooching on and seeing some other YouTubers out there that's going around. So yeah, with that, you guys, make sure to go down in the description, have some fun, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good one, and be safe out there.